I'm dripped up, pull up in the Nissan. Jiggy nigga stay wavy with my chain on. Cardi frames on my face, man, I'm iced out. Whoa, dripping water, yeah. I'm dripped up, pull up in the Nissan. Jiggy nigga stay wavy with my chain on. Cardi frames on my face, man, I'm iced out. Whoa, dripping water, yeah. I'm dripped up. I've been dripping 24/7. Drip, drip. Dripping like a Porsche 911. Yeah. Doing 105 down 85. My homies.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, it is all about this curly hair, and it is from UNICE hair. I don't know if it's UNICE or UNICE, but I've been pronouncing it as UNICE for the longest, so that's how I'm gonna say it. I've actually had hair from this company before. I've had that hair for like 2 years. I created a U-part wig with it, and it is still rocking strong. I'm gonna leave my link about that hair down below. It is the exact same hair. That hair is just a tad bit longer, but this hair is the summer hair. If you need some vacation hair, holiday hair, whatever you want to call it, this curly hair is what you need in your life. You do. I promise. It is bomb. It's so lightweight, so it doesn't keep you hot when it is summer when it is hot outside. I purchased it through Amazon, and I have Amazon Prime, so it literally shipped to me the next day like that. I was like, dang, now I gotta create a wig. But shipping was extremely fast. The company is extremely sweet and kind. The lengths that I actually have in, I have a 14-inch closure, a 16-inch, 18-inch, and my longest bundle is a 20. So I have a total of 3 bundles and 1 closure in my head, and I had like this much left that I had to cut off. I hate cutting hair. I did do an unboxing for you guys, so I am just gonna like pop that in the corner somewhere so you can just see how the hair looks when it did come. I look a little rough in that video, so don't judge me. I had just came from work and I was real tired, but I had to get the work done. So of course, when you do receive the hair, it comes in its bundle stage, and then it came with these cute little lashes. These ones are actually really cute. I'm gonna attempt to try these one day. It was really easy to sew through the wefts. The wefts are thick, but they're not too thick to where the needle takes forever to go through, so I love that fact. The end of the hair didn't come all crimpy and nasty. You know how when you receive hair, sometimes the ends are really, what's the word? I don't know what word I'm looking for. They're just real disgusting. They're really dry. You can see a whole bunch of split ends, and you don't want to see that in weave that you purchase. It shouldn't look like that. At least cut it off before you send it to me. As you can tell, my curls are just so luscious and bouncy. I would not straighten this hair because, I mean, it's Brazilian curly hair. I didn't even tell you guys that. This is Brazilian curly hair. I wouldn't straighten it because why would you purchase Brazilian curly hair to straighten it? You might as well just purchase straight hair to wear it straight. It's just certain types of hair you don't curl, certain types of hair you don't straighten, and this is one of them. I would never straighten this hair. I just can't wait to see if I get any shedding. I haven't had any shedding since let's see, this is my Deadman brush. And this is, well, I guess I did get a little bit of shedding, but I think this is just because my hair was a little bit nappy because I wore it out last night. Had a good night. But I wore it out last night, so I had a little bit of dead ends that we had to get, well, not dead end, but a little bit of shedding. The hair is real easy to maintain. All you need is a spray bottle and some leave-in conditioner, and girl, you are ready to go. Like, what more do you need in the summertime? Oh, it's just so perfect. Have anything else to say? If you are on the market for some summer hair, then girl, this is definitely the hair that you need in your life. hands down, go get you some UNICE Brazilian curly hair. I guess I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.